Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel ScopeIIT. Today we will discuss about the topic infix to prefix and infix to postfix conversion. Okay. Now what do you mean by infix? Infix basically means that suppose if you have an expression a plus b. Okay, so this is nothing but your infix expression. Okay. How we can say that? Because in infix expression your operator will be in the middle. Okay, so here your a and b basically is an operand and your plus basically is an operator. Okay, so whenever you have operator in the middle, that expression is known as infix. Similarly, what do you mean by prefix? Prefix means first, right? Prefix means first. So here operator will be first and then AB. Okay. Similarly, what do you mean by postfix? Postfix basically means first of all operand will come and operator will be at the last. Okay. So infix means operator will be in the middle. Pre means first. So operator will be first and post means operator will be the last one. Okay. Let us take one example and we'll understand this. For example, suppose if you have a plus b multiplied by c divided by d. Okay, this is one expression you want to do. Now, how to solve this expression? So here one question should arise in your mind, ma'am. Multiplication and division have same priority. Correct. Multiplication and division have same priority. So which one we should execute first? Okay, so before we start solving that, you should be aware of this table. So here you can see this is your precedence graph. That means which operator is having more priority. And this is associativity. What do you mean by associative? For example, if you have A divided by B divided by C divided by D. So here you can see same operator, that is divide, is used. So here out of this three, which one we should execute first? So see here in divide. Here is the divide, right? So that means associativity is left to right. So first of all, we will execute A divided by B. Then we will execute this divide and then we will execute this divide. Similarly, suppose if you have A caret, B caret, C. Okay, so in that case, which one we will execute first? Right to left. So first we will execute this one and then we will execute this caret symbol. That is the meaning of associativity. Okay, so now here if you see plus, multiplication and divide, which is having the highest priority? Multiply and divide. Okay, then here there are two operators having same priority. So we will check the associativity. So associativity is left to right. So first we will solve multiplication and then we will solve the divide. Understood? So now let us solve. Here the expression is A plus B multiplied by C divided by D. Okay. So first we will not solve this plus, will be as it is. Okay. Now consider this as one term, that is A multiplied by C. Okay. Now you want to convert it in prefix form. You want to convert it in prefix form. So prefix means what? Multiplication will be first. So it will become multiply BC. Okay. Now consider this as one term. Okay. Always underline so that you will not face any problem. Okay. After that, divide D. Now which operator we have to solve? This divide. So consider this as one term. For example, A, and this time one term as B. So suppose we have A divided by B. Then what is your prefix? Divide AB. Correct. So now it will become A plus, then this is one term, this is one term as I explained you. So it will become divide, multiply by BC and then D. Now this is one term and this is one term. Now what we have to solve? We need to solve this plus. So it will become plus A divide multiply BC D. Okay. Now this is all about the prefix. Okay. Now same expression if I want to convert to postfix. Okay. I'll take the same question. A plus B multiplied by C divided by D. So here also first I'll solve this B multiplied by C. So it will become A plus postfix. Postfix means operator will be at the last. So it will become BC multiply. Now this is one term, divide D. This is one term. Okay. So A plus. Now what will happen? Divide will be at the last. So it will become BC multiply D and divide will go last. So now this is one term, this is one term. Okay, so you have plus. So what will happen? A, B, C multiply D divide plus. Okay. See, try to make this underline so that it will be easy for you now. See, if you will not make the underline, then it is possible that you can place this plus in the middle of somewhere. Now you know that this underline, that means this is one term. For example, P, Q, X like that. Okay, so we cannot insert this plus in the middle of any of this. I hope it's clear. Now let us take one more example, okay, and we'll understand this more proper. Suppose the question I have is a plus b multiplied by c divided by d plus f minus e. Okay, suppose this is the question. So here also multiply and divide is having the highest priority. So first of all we will solve multiply. So it will become a plus, and I'm solving first infix. Okay, this is infix. I'm solving first prefix. Okay, first I'm solving prefix for this. So here it will become a plus this b multiplied by c is prefix. Prefix means operator will be first. So it will become multiply bc. Okay, and try at a time we'll solve only one. Okay, so there will be no problem. Then next, now this is term. Now we'll solve this and this as one term. Okay, so divide. So what will happen? Divide will be the first. So it will become divide multiply bc d. Now this is one term plus f minus e. Then now plus minus all are having same priority. So as these all have same priority, we will follow associativity. The associativity for plus minus is left to right. Okay, so first we'll solve this. So now this is one term, this is one term. So where plus will go? First. So it will become plus a divide multiply bcd. Now this is one term plus f minus e. Okay, now we'll solve this and this. Okay, plus a divide multiply bcd and then f. Now this is one term minus e. Okay, so this and this. So what will happen? Minus will be first. So it will become minus plus a divide multiply bcd f and e. Okay, so this is your final answer for prefix. Now same question if you will solve for postfix. Okay, same question I'll take and I'll explain you how to solve for postfix. So it is a plus b multiplied by c divide g plus f minus e. Now postfix. Okay, so it will become a plus. First we'll solve this multiplication highest priority. So it will become bc multiply. Now this is one term divide g plus f minus e. So now it will become a plus. Now we'll solve this divide. Okay, so it will become bc multiply d divide. Now this is one term. Okay, then plus f minus e. Now all are same priority. So first we'll solve this plus. Okay, so it will become abc multiply d divide, then plus will come here. Now this is one term plus f minus e. Now we'll solve this and this. So it will become abc multiply d divide plus f. Okay, this is one term, right? So it plus will be last. So plus is here. Then minus e. So finally it will become abc multiply d divide plus f plus e minus. Okay, so this is your final answer for postfix expression. I hope it's clear. It's very important for your UGC NET, GATE, PGCET or entrance exam where you have stack or application of stack in your syllabus. Okay, now we'll solve some questions based on this topic. This is your UGC NET December 2014 question. Convert the following infix expression to equivalent postfix. Postfix means, as I explained, it will become AB plus. Okay, operator will be the last one. Now this is the question. Let us solve this question. So A plus B caret D divide E minus F plus G. So now here rounded bracket have the higher priority. Okay, and rounded bracket also have associativity from left to right. So first we will solve this one. Okay, so it will become A plus, first of all we'll solve this one. So it will become A plus BD caret. Now this is one term, still we have a bracket remaining as it is. Okay, now here this is A plus BD caret. Now this and this. So it will become A, B, D caret and plus will be the last one. Now this is solved. Now this is one term. Divide. Now it is in bracket. So we can solve this also. So it will become E, F minus. Now this is also one term plus G. Okay. So now we'll solve this and this divide. So what will happen? It will become A, B, D caret plus then E, F minus and now this and this I told now this is one term, this is one term. So divide will be at the last. So divide. Now this is one term plus G. So it will become ABD caret plus EF minus divide and then G and finally we'll get here plus. Now let us match the options. So if you'll see the option ABD caret plus EF minus divide G and plus. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option A. You can check it. ABD caret plus EF minus divide G and plus. Okay. So this is all about this question. Next. This is your GATE 1995 question. Here. The postfix expression. So here also they have asked you postfix only. Postfix means AB plus operator will be the last one. Okay. So we'll take this question and we'll solve. So here also highest priority is bracket. So it will become A plus B multiply. First we'll solve this bracket. So it will become CD plus. This is one term divide F plus G into E. Okay. So here multiply and divide have higher priority and it is left to right associativity. So first we'll solve this term. So it will become A plus BCD plus and multiplication will be the last one. So now this is one term divide F plus D into E. So it will become A plus now this and this. Okay. So A plus BCD plus star then F and divide will be the last one, right? Now this is one term plus D star E. Okay. Now we'll solve this multiplication. Okay. So it will become A plus BCD plus star F divide. This is one term plus now we'll solve this. So it will become D E star. Now this is one term. Okay. So plus and plus same priority. So first we will solve left hand side first. Okay. So it will become A, B, C, D plus star F divide and this plus will be the last one. Now this is one term plus D, E star. This is one term. So your final answer will become A, B, C, D plus star F divide plus this plus will go last. Okay. So it will become D, E star plus. So this is the final answer. Now let us match the options. So ABCD is here only. Okay, so no need to check further. The correct answer is option B for this question. Next, this is your GATE 2004 as well as in ISRO they have asked GATE ISRO 2009 also same question. Here, assume that the operator plus minus multiply are left associative and caret are right associative. The order of precedence from left highest to lowest, that is caret multiply plus minus. The postfix expression corresponding to infix expression, this one is what? Okay, so here also they want to find your postfix expression, that is AB plus. Okay, operator will be the last one. Okay, now remember I have already given you the associativity and precedence, that table. Okay, but in exam it is possible that they can change it. Okay, so you should read the question properly and if they have changed any associative then we have to check that one. Okay, so whatever is given in question, according to that we have to solve our question. Okay, so let us take this expression A plus B multiply C minus D caret E caret F. Okay, so as they said the highest priority is caret only. So first we'll solve caret A plus B multiply C minus. Okay, and caret is right associative. First we will solve this one. Okay, so it will become D caret as it is. It will become E F caret. E F and caret. Okay, so now this one. Now we'll solve this caret second one. So it will become A plus B multiplied by C minus D E F. Then this caret and this caret, both the caret together. Okay, next. So this is solved. Now this is one term. Okay, next higher priority is multiplication. So we'll solve this one first now. So it will become A plus BC star. Now this is one term minus DEF caret caret. This is one term. Okay. Next operator, what they said, higher priority plus. So we will solve plus first. So it will become ABC star plus. Now this is one term minus DEF caret caret. This is one term. So final answer will become ABC star plus DEF caret caret and minus. So this is your final answer for this question. Okay, now let us match the options. So A, B, C multiplied plus DEF caret caret minus. So the correct answer for this question is option A. I hope it's clear. So this is all about this infix to prefix and infix to postfix expression. This is a shortcut technique. You can solve this question faster in your exam. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Any doubt, any suggestion or any question is there, you can write it in comment. Thank you.